You're going to know how to earn up to $700 per day from the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good, right? Well, with Google it's possible. The world's most popular search engine isn't just about finding information. It's also a goldmine of opportunity for anyone looking to earn an income. You don't need a fancy degree or specialized skills. All you need is a device connected to the internet, and you're good to go. From Google News to various other platforms, Google offers a plethora of ways to make money. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone just looking for an extra income, Google presents a wealth of opportunities. The best part? You can do this from anywhere, at any time. So are you ready to dive into this sea of opportunities and start earning? Stay tuned to find out how you can unlock this potential and start earning today. Google offers a variety of ways to earn money, from Google News to Google Ads and more. This tech giant is not just a search engine, it's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered by you. So, let's explore the different ways you can earn money from Google. First up, we have Google News. Now you might be wondering, how can reading the news earn you money? Well, it's not about reading the news, it's about writing it. If you have a knack for journalism or simply enjoy writing about current events, you can start your own news website and sign up for Google News. Once approved, your articles will start appearing in Google News feeds. The more traffic you generate, the more you earn. Next, we have Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdSense. This is probably one of the most popular ways to earn money from Google. It's simple to use and doesn't require any special skills. All you need is a website or a blog where you can display ads. Each time a visitor clicks on these ads, you get paid. But what if you don't have a website or a blog? No worries. YouTube, which is owned by Google, also offers a similar opportunity through its partner program. If you enjoy creating content, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize it. Whenever viewers watch ads on your videos or subscribe to YouTube Premium, you earn money. Last but not least, there's Google Opinion Rewards. This app pays you for sharing your opinions on different topics. It's as simple as taking a few minutes each day to answer surveys. And these are just a few examples. There are other Google services like Google Play Books, where you can publish and sell your own ebooks, or Google Developer, where you can create and sell your own apps. Now that you know the different ways to earn from Google, let's dive into how you can start. So whether you're a writer, a content creator, or just someone looking for a side hustle, Google has something for you. The journey to earning from Google starts with a single step, and that step is deciding which opportunity suits you best. Earning money from Google is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can start. Firstly, let's set the stage with Google AdSense. This is a program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website or blog. To get started, simply create a website or blog on a topic you're passionate about. Once you've got some content up, apply for Google AdSense. Google will review your application, and once approved, you can start displaying ads and earning money. It's as simple as that. Next up, YouTube. If you love creating videos, this is a fantastic way to earn. Create a YouTube channel and start uploading unique and engaging content. Once your channel has reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content. Google Opinion Rewards is another great way to earn. This app pays you for answering short surveys. Simply download the app, answer some basic questions about yourself, and you'll start receiving survey opportunities. Each survey takes just a few minutes and can earn you up to $1. It might not seem like much, but it adds up over time. Now, for those of you who love to write, Google has you covered with Google Play Books. You can publish your own ebooks and earn up to 70% royalty on sales. You have full control over the pricing and can make changes at any time. This is a fantastic way to share your knowledge or creativity with the world and earn money doing it. Google also has a program called Google AdMob for app developers. If you love creating apps, this is for you. AdMob allows you to earn money by displaying ads in your apps. It's a simple and effective way to monetize your app and earn passive income. Lastly, Let's not forget about Google News. This platform allows publishers to earn money by displaying ads on their news stories. To get started, you'll need to create a website, publish news stories regularly, and apply to become a Google News partner. Once approved, you can start displaying ads on your news stories and earning money. Now remember, these methods do not require any specific qualifications. All you need is a passion for what you do and a willingness to put in the effort. The potential earnings can be substantial, up to $700 per day. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning up to $700 per day from Google. But don't just take our word for it, give it a try. So there you have it, a guide to earning money from Google. But before you go, let's make sure you're fully equipped to make the most out of this opportunity. By liking and subscribing, you'll always be in the loop for more insightful content just like this. Remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck. This is about unlocking a consistent, reliable income stream from one of the biggest tech giants in the world. Imagine the doors it could open for you, the freedom to work from anywhere, the chance to build your own financial safety net. And let's not forget, the thrill of earning money on your own terms. This video has laid out the roadmap for you. Your journey towards financial independence could start right now. Remember, with Google, the potential to earn is within your reach. So why wait? Start today and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy earning!